In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack more effectively with 6 productivity hacks we use in our remote team. Slack can get busy fast, especially when you're working across different time zones and juggling multiple conversations at once. The good news is that a few simple habits can make a big difference in how organized, responsive, and focused you feel throughout the day. Let's walk through 6 practical ways to make Slack work better for you. One of the most helpful features to start using is Schedule Send. Instead of sending a message late at night or outside someone else's working hours, you can write your message when it's convenient for you and schedule it to arrive later. This helps you communicate efficiently without creating pressure for teammates to respond immediately. It's a simple way to be more considerate of everyone's time zone and work life balance. Another great habit is saving important messages to your saved items. If someone shares key information, a deadline, or an update you know you'll need later, save it right away. That way, instead of digging through long chat threads or trying to remember where something was posted, you'll have quick access to the messages that matter most. This is especially useful for project details and follow-up tasks. You can also make communication faster and more fun by creating custom emoji reactions. These are great for quick acknowledgments like showing that you've seen a message, agree with an idea, or completed a task. Using reactions can cut down on extra reply messages and keep conversations lighter while still making your team feel engaged. Another time-saving tool is slash commands, especially the remind command. You can use it directly in the chat box to set reminders for yourself or your team without leaving the conversation. This makes it easier to stay on top of tasks, deadlines, and follow-ups in the moment before they slip your mind. To reduce clutter, take some time to organize your sidebar. Group channels and direct messages into custom sections so the most important conversations are always easy to find. This can help you focus on priority work and avoid getting distracted by less urgent channels. Finally, set up status updates to reflect your availability or focus time. Letting people know whether you're busy, in deep work, away, or offline helps set clear expectations and reduces interruptions. It's a small detail that can improve communication across the whole team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more remote work tips and tutorials.